Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for pea and mint soup. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we take a medium sized heavy base saucepan and we pop it onto a medium heat. Add some unsalted butter, let that melt, and to that then we're going to add some chopped onion. Just give that a stir around. Let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes just until the onion softens. Now folks, as always, the recipe and description of how to make this are in the box below. So now that our onion is softened, we're just going to add some sweetener or some sugar to them. Then to that we're going to add some frozen peas. Then to that we're going to add some vegetable stock. And then the star of the show, some fresh mint out of the garden. Just give that a stir around, let it cook for about 15 minutes until the peas are defrosted and everything's mingled in. So now we'll remove the mint stalks. And then we'll take a hand blender and we'll just blend it until the thickness that you require. Now if you don't have a hand blender, obviously a normal household blender will do. So now that our soup's blended, we're just going to check it for seasoning. I felt that this one needed some extra salt and pepper, so I've just added some seasoning into it. And now our pea and mint soup is ready to serve. I've just served mine with a toasted bread roll. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching. And I hope to see you watching my further videos.